How to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your phone. I will be using Chrome, and then you have to search for Epic Games Fortnite. And after you search for Epic Games Fortnite, you have to go to this website, Epic Games Fortnite free to play cross-platform game. And then once you're on the website, you have to tap on these three lines in the top right side here. And then here in the bottom you will see sign in option. Tap on it. Now here you can sign in with Epic Games, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, PlayStation and etc. So select the option through which you want to sign in. I'm gonna sign in with my Facebook. And so now after you sign in, you have to tap on these three lines here in the top right corner, and then here tap on V-Bucks, and then here scroll down a little bit and tap on get started. And here you will see the enter your code pin option. So enter the code here and then tap on next, and if it's correct it will be redeemed. And so this is how you can redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Thanks for watching.